The pygmy mongooses who live inside the mounds are too small to kill all but the smallest snakes and lizards, and certainly not the snake the monitor finds there, a spitting cobra. The monitor is too big to be intimidated by the raised hood, and for once the cobra doesn't seem to spit. But it does bite, and hangs on, pumping a good dose of venom. Some of the poison must have penetrated the monitor's tough skin, but it's highly likely that the big lizard has a degree of immunity to snake venom. Many habitual snake killers have this, but it's very unlikely that any snake eater possesses the total immunity some people claim.